Hi friends, how are you all doing? I'm Swapna here and today I'm going to show you a very interesting seafood recipe which is called Sora Pittu in Telugu and in Tamil we call it as Sora Puttu. This is a recipe made with the big fish which is the shark. Let's get started. This dish will taste so good with sambar rice, rasam rice, and you can also mix it with a simple plain rice and have it. Try this at home and let me know your comments. For watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.